Hello, welcome to my channel. This is my first video. I don't wanna talk. So you're gonna watch me just build and destroy my mag decorations. Okay, let's continue. And what we build is just a basic box. That's stupid. Sorry. Now I'm gonna destroy it with my ball. Okay, wait here. Okay, now let's go to our next build. I need more materials. Okay, here we go. Also, you'll get a glimpse on what I'm watching right now. Okay, there. Oops, I just destroyed on what I built and I already forgot what I was building. I am so stupid. Why am I so stupid? I am so shy. What am I talking about? This is getting boring, so I'm just gonna make it as reinforced as possible, but ugly. Okay, now let's destroy it. But actually, this golf ball. How exactly? Well, oh, that's not what I. Ow, I hurt my thumb. Okay, I'm not gonna show you my face. Hope I get a subscriber. Actually, I don't care. I'm just making this for fun. But it's okay if I get just at least one subscriber. That's okay. At least not from a family member. This is my first video. I'm so nervous. Why am I so nervous? I'm recording this at night. Stormy night. You can probably hear it. What am I building? Oh yeah, I'm building a house. I'm so stupid. And also my mom is right in the bed right now. I'm not gonna show you her. Don't say anything that this is a baby's toy. My mommy bought this for my birthday. I'm still calling my mom mommy because even though I am supposed not to say that, I'm not gonna say my age. Just gonna say whatever. Never mind. Whatever. This is so hard to close. Okay, do you want to see some distraction or some more building? More distraction, then more building. Ow, my finger. I forgot what's it called. Hope everyone's safe right now during this pandemic. Hope no one is sick, and when they are sick, hope they get recovered. Right now, I'm just building a crystal. I don't know what to call it. I'm just calling it a crystal. Hello, and now you fall and die. And oh, orange. I miss. No. Okay, I miss again. No. Okay, bye. Hope you did not see my face.